Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to print just one page in Word. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. To print only one page, we do the following. For example, we need to print page number 2. We'll scroll down to this page and then open the print window. This window can be opened in the usual way, that is, click File and then Print, or you can open this menu using Ctrl and P keys. So the print window is open. Now we have two ways to print the second page. The first way is to print the current page, and that's why we scrolled the document down to the second page. Select the appropriate option in this list and click Print. And for the second way, you need to know the page number that you want to print. This is not the number that can be indicated in the lower right corner of the page, but the actual page number that we can view in the lower left corner right here on the status bar. As you can see, the page number is 4, and its actual number is 2. If you don't have this counter, right-click on the status bar and select page number. This should be remembered, as the page number may not match the actual position of the page in the document. Go back to the print window, enter the actual page number, it's 2, and click Print. In addition, you can print selectively, that is, you type comma-separated page numbers that you want to print, for example 2, 7, 16, or you can use a dash to print any range of pages, for example, from the 5th to the 20th. Or you can also combine printing individual page with the range of pages. That's all I wanted to say. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.